You can make real money on YouTube before YouTube ever pays you a cent. Yes, even if you've never edited a video before. YouTube's demonetizing AI channels. Everyone's crying, but let's be real. AdSense was never reliable. I've made over $250,000 on YouTube. No AdSense, no face, no editing skills. I did it with AI. You can too. I made $2,847.39 from one video, but that was 3 years ago. Now I want to know, can Pictory do the same thing in 2026? Stay to the end. I'll show you the exact experiment, the exact niche, and how Pictory has already paid me over $90,000. Now, before I show you the system, I want to be real with you for a second. I'm not a guru. I'm not going to sell you a dream. I'm just a guy who runs experiments and shows you what actually works. 3 years ago, I tested whether you could make real money on YouTube using an AI video tool and one affiliate offer. It worked, but that was 3 years ago. AI tools have changed. The market has changed. Everything has changed. So I wanted to find out, could the same experiment work today with Pictory? Same strategy, new tool, 2026. And here's what made this experiment interesting. If it worked, it would prove something important. You don't need AdSense to make real money on YouTube. You don't need a big channel. You don't need to show your face. You just need the right system. But if it didn't work, well, at least you'd know before wasting 6 months of your life. That's why I run these experiments. The first thing I needed was a niche. Not just any niche, a niche with real buyers, a niche with high RPM, a niche where people actually spend money. So I opened NextLev. It's basically a cheat code for YouTube research. If you want to see the same data I'm looking at, the link's in the description. I typed in a few of the biggest finance channels on YouTube, and what I saw was wild. Finance channels are pulling in serious RPM right now. We're talking $7 to $12 per 1,000 views, sometimes higher. I took screenshots. Here's the proof. Compare that to most niches sitting at 3 to 5 RPM, and you start to see why finance is such a big opportunity. But here's what really caught my attention. Most of these channels are still leaving money on the table. Their biggest revenue source is still AdSense. That's good, but it's also fragile. One demonetization, and it's gone overnight. So I wanted to build something different, something that doesn't depend on YouTube's mood, something that makes money, whether YouTube pays me or not. Stack affiliate offers on top of the AdSense revenue, double the income, cut the risk. And that's when I found the opportunity. I needed 3 things: a story people couldn't stop watching, a product people actually wanted to buy, and a way to make the video without showing my face. The story part was easy. I went with finance storytelling, not stock tips, not investment advice, just real stories about how money works, how the rich get richer, how companies make billions, how one decision can change everything. People watch this stuff at 2 a.m. They share it with their friends. They come back for more. So I wrote down ideas. Why some people get rich faster than others. How millionaires make money while they sleep. The highest paying industries nobody talks about. How one decision made this man a billionaire. Why most people will never build real wealth. People can't help but click on these. They're like financial car crashes. You don't want to look, but you always do. Now I needed a product. No fake gurus, no get-rich-quick schemes. Something real, credible, and useful. It's an investment platform that lets everyday people invest in fine art alongside the ultra-wealth. Real company, real returns, real affiliate program. They pay $280 per referral. And their audience? People who want to build wealth. People who are already spending money. People who are watching finance videos at 2 a.m. Perfect fit. Now for the tools. ChatGPT for the script. Pictory for the video. 11 Labs for the voice. Canva for the thumbnail. No face, no camera, no problem. I made the first video. I opened Pictory and pasted my script. It grabbed stock footage automatically, added captions, matched the visuals to the words. 20 minutes later, I had a rough cut. I added a voiceover in 11 Labs, made a thumbnail in Canva, big bold text, a shocked face emoji, a stack of cash, classic YouTube. Start to finish, about 2 hours. I uploaded it. Title: Why Some People Get Rich Faster Than Others. Description: quick summary, affiliate link for Masterworks. Then I waited. Nothing happened. A few views, no clicks, no referrals. This is where things got interesting. I checked my analytics the next morning. People were leaving after 30 seconds. My intro was too slow, too much setup, not enough hook. So I went back into Pictory, cut the first 20 seconds, tightened the opening, re-exported the video, re-uploaded. Still not great. Then I looked at my thumbnail. It was boring, way too safe, not enough drama. So I made a new one, bigger text, brighter colors, more contrast, more urgency. I posted again, shared it in a finance Facebook group, dropped it on Reddit's personal finance community. Still nothing. I started to think maybe the title was wrong. So I changed it. Why the rich keep getting richer and what you can do about it. More specific, more emotional, more clickable. And then, finally, something happened. A comment appeared. This is actually really eye-opening. Subscribed. Then another. I never thought about it this way before. Then another. Where can I learn more about investing like this? I checked my affiliate dashboard. 1 click, then 2, then 5, then 10, but still no referrals. I started to wonder if this was all a waste of time. But before I tell you what happened next, let's talk money math. Because I love money math, and I hope you do too. Let's say your finance video gets 100,000 views. If 2% of people click your affiliate link, that's 2,000 clicks. If 5% of those sign up, that's 100 referrals. Masterworks pays between $4 and $280 per referral. Let's use $100 as the average. 100 referrals times $100 is $10,000 from one video. And if you get lucky, maybe you make an extra $300 from AdSense on top of that. But honestly, that's just icing on the cake. Even if YouTube demonetizes you tomorrow, you're still making real money. That's the difference between chasing AdSense and building a real monetization system. So I doubled down. I made a second video, The Man Who Lost $1 billion in One Day. True story, dramatic, emotional, impossible not to click. Same process, script, Pictory, 11 labs, Canva, upload, but this time I spent more time on the story, more drama, more tension, more I can't believe this happened moments. I added a cliffhanger in the middle. I teased the ending in the first 30 seconds. I made sure every sentence made you want to hear the next one. I also added a joke about eating ramen while researching billionaires. The irony was not lost on me. I posted the video, and then, the next morning, I checked my dashboard. 1 referral, then another. I did a little dance in my kitchen. Success at last, right? But there was something else I noticed. The watch time on this video was way higher than the first one. People were staying. People were finishing the video. People were clicking the link at the end. This time, I focused on a financial event everyone had heard of, the 2008 financial crisis. I broke it down like a story. Heroes, villains, twists, consequences. Watch time shot up even higher. People started sharing it. Comments started rolling in. I got a DM from someone who said, I signed up for Masterworks because your video made me realize I needed to diversify my investments. That's when something clicked. You don't need 1 million views. You just need the right people watching. And here's the twist I didn't see coming. The referrals didn't come from the video with the most views. They came from the video with the best story. That's the insight most creators miss. They think more views equals more money. But that's AdSense thinking. With affiliate marketing, it's different. You don't need everyone to watch. You need the right people to watch. People who are already interested in building wealth. People who are already looking for solutions. People who just needed someone to show them the way. And that's exactly what a great finance story does. It doesn't sell, it shows. It makes people feel something, and then they take action on their own. So I kept going. I made a 4th video, a 5th, a 6th. Each one got a little better, each one got a little more views, each one got a few more referrals. And I started to see a pattern. The videos that worked best had 3 things in common: a dramatic story, a clear villain or hero, and a twist nobody saw coming. That's the formula. That's the system. And Pictory made it possible to execute it fast. Without Pictory, each video would have taken me a full day. With Pictory, I was done in 2 hours. Script to finished video. No camera, no editing skills, no face. That's the real power of this system. Not just the money, the speed. Now, here's something I want to show you. I have a free course called How to Make YouTube Automation Videos in 20 Minutes Using AI. 11,250 students have taken it. It has a 4.5-star rating, and it's completely free. It walks you through exactly how to use Pictory to make faceless videos fast, even if you've never made a YouTube video before. The link is in the description. Grab it. It costs you nothing. And if you want to try Pictory for yourself, that link is in the description too. Try it for free, or use my coupon code DEBTBUSTERS for a discount. Seriously, grab the free course first. It'll show you exactly how to use Pictory to make videos like the ones I just described. So, did it work? Yeah, it did. $2,847.39 from one video, before YouTube ever paid me a cent. 3 years later, the same strategy still works. The tool is better, the process is faster, the money is real. Most creators are still chasing AdSense. They're waiting for YouTube to pay them. But the real money was never in the ads. It was always in what you sell. You don't need a big channel. You don't need to show your face. You just need a story, a system, and a product people actually want. Pictory gives you the system. The niche gives you the story. The affiliate offer gives you the money. And the best part, you can start today. Pick a niche, write a script with ChatGPT, turn it into a video with Pictory, add a real affiliate offer, post it, see what happens. That's it. That's the whole system. If you want to see me run this experiment in a completely different niche, let me know in the comments. And if this video helped you see what's possible, hit the like button. This experiment took way more work than it looks. Subscribe if you want to follow along with the next one. And if you want to shortcut this whole process, get new niches every week, get new affiliate strategies every week, and skip the trial and error that cost me months of my life, check out Dave Nick's Online Business Club. That's where I get a lot of these ideas. New niches, new offers, new strategies, every single week. It's the fastest way to build a channel that actually pays. The link is in the description. No face, no ads, no waiting, just real money from real storytelling. Next time, I'm testing this exact system in a completely different niche to see if the results hold up. I already know which niche I'm testing, and honestly, the RPM data I found on NextLev made my jaw drop. You're not going to want to miss that one. See you in the next experiment.